Do it up. There you go.
It's a video.
Oh. That'd be funny.
Hey
You stop
guys,
it?
we're waiting here for
My
4th of
mom's an
July
idiot.
fireworks.
Mom's an idiot.
That's
There's
Ashley.
an American flag.
Hippie.
Rude!
I'm gonna come back when it starts in like an hour.
Well, they're probably my to-do list.
So yeah.
Follow me
Probably
on
be super
Instagram.
dark by then, but here we go. See you in a sec.
Days before the fireworks start.
Okay, so it's fire. He's taking video.
No, I'm not. This is a photo.
This is a video.
Guys,
it's a video.
everybody get in for a group photo.
It's a video.
Ashton, just get in a group photo.
It's a video.
No, I
whatever.
could stop it and make it a photo.
Okay, he's doing a
3,
video.
2, 1.
Okay, he's doing video.
I'm doing a video. I want to basically do that all the
When
time.
he's holding his phone like that.
No, fine. I'll actually do a photo this time.
Can you lift me up?
So it's about 8:50 right now. It's kind of getting dark. This makes it really darker than it is because it's blue, but now it looks gray on the camera. Anyways, yeah, I'm just basically waiting here. There's fire trucks and police cars going everywhere around here. So let's do this.
Fireman.
There it is, guys. There it is. Whoa. It sounds a bit delayed in real life.
It's awesome.
Well, that's so cool. Wish I could zoom in, but I can't. Oh, dude.
Car!
Just wait.
It's showing me the clouds, like the color it shows.
I love the colors. I love those. Oh,
And that was a huge explosion. I didn't even see it.
Whoa. Wait, I wanna cut the video real quick. Okay, I'll be right back. There it is. There's a bunch of planes everywhere while filming this.
Well, that might be the news helicopter.
I'm gonna get the fun alley for. Mom, can we go down there? Can we go down there?
No,
On the stairs.
What? Yeah. Can I get a better view?
not down there. Ashton, stop. Mom said right there.
Here. Okay, this is a little way of better view, everybody.
Hey, you're not supposed to go on the sidewalk, Mom
This
said.
is the stairs. And this is the perfect view. So like right now, you can see all the fireworks. Whoa.
Wow.
I'm recording
I wish you
now.
guys could see how big it is in real life. It's beautiful. Cameras suck. You know?
Yeah, cameras do suck. And we're
Like
only
they got
recording
all the
this.
streets blocked off. Not even allowed on the sidewalks.
Oh, why is this ring if you didn't see that?
Whoa, whoa. See the building in front of us? That's blocking most of them, or some of them. The ones that don't go very high.
Oh, a plane just went through that firework. That plane's done.
Zoom in. No, what just happened? There you go. Sorry about that. Whoa. Some of them don't make sounds.
Some of them don't. Whoa! That's a big one on camera. That's big.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it for 1 second, guys. Hey guys, it is zoomed in, but it's worse quality, and I don't know if this will be in the same video. It might not be, but at least I got it zoomed in. I found a way. I mean, see, not the YouTube capture, but it's okay. Whoa. I'm not gonna record the whole thing because then my phone's gonna die. Then I'll have no storage. But I'm gonna record some of it and turn it on when there's like a really cool one or whatever. Okay, I'll see you there. Wow. Seems like the sound is a little fast. I don't know. To me, in real life, I know. Don't know. Like I don't know why people would want to drive cars. I mean, why don't they just stop and look at all this beauty, you know? Driving a bike. Zoom out a little bit, guys. No. Whoa, that was kind of cool. Oh, what's happening there? Okay. That was kind of cool. This is going to go on for another 38 minutes, and I can't record all that time. I don't want to wait all night to upload, you know. So I think I'm just going to, I don't know, go off and on maybe later. So, whoa, what was that? I guess I'll be with you guys when I want to record again. Okay, then I'll record.
About 10.
Wait, is that on the same field? Wait, it makes it shorter.
No, I can zoom in.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow.
Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna get it cold. But you can see all these other ones.
landscape.
I don't know.
It makes everything look better.
You'll have to show me how later.
Mom, like this. Look, you just turn the phone, tilt it,
Okay.
and it makes it 10 times better. Whoa, that was kind of cool.
That's a heart shape. Oh man. That was a
Happy
heart
face
shape.
or happy face.
I
Yeah,
didn't
that was
see
a
that.
shape. Yeah, they have some. Last year they started having shapes.
I saw a star.
Some, yeah, once we saw a star and a happy face. Isn't that cool? How they do that. Yeah. They just started those a couple years ago.
Wow.
That's cool.
I think that building in front of us blocking some of it.
Wow.
Whoa.
This
It's
is
like
one of
a
the better shows
Maui.
I've ever seen. It could be.
Well, it's the same thing
Filing
over and
that
over.
same file.
Whoa.
Wow.
What if they made one that says the end?
That'd be cool. Ooh, that looks like a rainbow one.
What if they made one like human?
A flag.
Oh,
that'd be cool.
flag, yeah.
I don't know how they make them.
Yeah.
Anyway.
There's a certain material.
I know, but how do they make them, like, when they do a shape or, like, they change colors?
It's
Oh.
when they make them, they
Ooh, a heart, Tess.
Mom, they change.
Heart.
What they do, Mom, is
Is that a
like
happy face?
in the powder, they they move it. I think.
Spirals. They're doing the shapes now. Look at the spiral. Or is that a neon sign? So
There's a drone that's flying by somewhere.
I
Oh,
saw
there's-
a happy
it's
face. I
it's
saw
the
a
news
happy face.
camera. It's
Mom, I
taped.
saw other happy
Cool.
face.
Yeah, they're doing the happy faces. Oh, yeah, there was a happy face.
That's a happy face.
They're recording it for TV. The helicopter.
Whoa, what was that?
This is a pretty big show. So the news
I'm gonna go
helicopter.
deaf by the end of this.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, that was that one.
This is a lot bigger than Simi Valley's show.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
What's Simi Valley's like?
It's like, it's good. I like this one better. And we got
I
a big
wish the
spot.
camera was more high
Oh,
def.
cars are gonna start going off.
Want to start doing what?
Car alarms are gonna start going off.
What?
It's the booms.
I think it's.
Oh yeah,
green.
it's close enough. Car alarms will go off.
Did last year.
Did you?
Like that. Whoa.
Oh,
It's like the flag
Woo.
one. The half. Half.
Yeah, I like those.
I'd hate to be under there lighting those up because like all the flames would go and smoke in front of
That's
your
why
eyes.
the fire trucks are down
People are really
Fire
screaming. I can
video.
hear them scream.
there.
Oh.
There's the car alarms.
Fire alarm.
And it's the
Fire
one
alarm.
that's driving too.
Like there's a car alarm going
Yeah,
off. Like,
there'll be more. We hear it, Johnny.
Because they think someone's banging.
Well, it's just so
It's just
cool.
loud. I know, isn't this a great show?
I hope it's over
Whoa.
soon so I have storage to upload this.
You
Another
can just
one.
upload it for the next 50 hours.
Yeah, I'll probably stay up to 1 o'clock again.
Yeah, we can sleep in tomorrow.
Oh, I think I saw.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Now there's cloud
walk.
walking.
No, I like this one. That's my favorite. That's my new favorite.
Mom, Joey, how long do they take? If they're like 30 minutes?
It depends on how much quality.
That's cool.
No, like what if they're 30 minutes?
Mom, I'm gonna upload it in the best quality, right? And see how long it takes.
Stars. Like, what if it's 30 minutes?
Just don't bank
long?
on me doing it.
Joe, how long?
I know, I'm gonna have to turn my phone on charger, right? And as I have to turn the out time on never, so it never turns off, so it'll never stop uploading. Because if the phone turns off for more than 30 seconds, it'll stop uploading. You
I
have
want
to
to know how
read
you can add music to these. That'd be cool.
Oh, Yeah, but it's copyrighted most of them.
Not if it's playing in the background.
Yeah,
Hey
it's
guys, hope you see part 2
any music
of
can
Fireworks.
I could get copyrighted strike and have to go
Later.
get sued or
Subscribe.
whatever.
Well, I'm not gonna, just for my personal
Or
use.
punch.
Yeah, I know, but if I don't do it on any social media,
Well, I'm. talking
maybe
just for us.
Facebook.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, here comes the fireman or police officer.
Another alarm.
Those are gonna go off all night.
Mom, I'm doing a part 2 for my video because it
Yeah.
was 16 minutes, and I don't know really.
You can go sit by here.
Wait, what?
Wait, did you hear? Whoa.
That's some sound effects.
That's a fire.
I know, I was joking.
Oh, looks like they have to speed.
Oh, someone's hurt.
Maybe the fire's over there where they were putting theirs.
There could have been. I don't think that was the cities. That was just some people No, I hope they're okay. Don't worry about that.
But they are going to get in
Okay,
trouble.
let's be quiet. Okay, I'm gonna make a video. No one talk.
Another alarm.
No one talking.
I've been making a video for the past like 18 minutes.
Okay, I mean it. 1, 2, 3.
Hi. Mom, to stop.
I think that was awkward. Circle.
Circle.
Whoa! There it is. Like there's a bunch of drones. Joe, there's a drone that probably got hit. It's going down.
That's your fault.
Drone.
Sunlight.
Okay, I'm gonna make a part 2 video.
Okay. This is a long show. It's pretty
Hey
awesome.
guys, this is part
How long?
2.
It's like 20 minutes.
Sorry,
How long have we been here?
I don't know.
Right.
Since I started my Uber, I don't know.
Actually, what time is it? You're not
This
recording.
could be the. This could be the.
Can I-
finale. This could be the finale.
So, hi. So good. And again, this is part 2. And these
Oh, I
fireworks
need storage
are
up.
pretty good.
Wow.
Whoa. It's so bright my camera can't pick it up.
Yeah, mine
You know,
either.
Mom? Whoa.
That's cool.
Yeah, this is the
Cool.
finale.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Guys, it looks like this is the finale.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Catch on the camera.
That's
It's all
so
bright.
Whoa!
Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. I love those white.
Outer space. It looks like every time I'm trying to be cool.
I think it's over, guys. Woo! Hey guys, I will just a heads up afterwards. My monitor broke or had a problem with it so the PS4 is all set up and everything. My Elgato's coming in a few days. So is my mic and stuff. Still not getting a new computer yet. Don't know about that. I might get it later. But that's just an update. So yeah. Hope you liked this video. Sorry it's bad quality. Filmed it with my phone. And couldn't zoom in half the time. So, yeah. Have a beautiful day, guys. See you later.